Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I need milk. Where is it?
It's at the back of the store, near the eggs.
Thank you. Do you have fresh bread?
Yes, we do. It's on aisle 3. We got it today.
Perfect. How much are these apples?
They are 80 rupees per kilo.
They look good. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Good choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Do you take cards?
Yes, we do. Cards and cash are both fine.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Do you sell homemade jam here?
Yes, we do. It's next to the bread.
Wonderful. I'll take a small jar of strawberry.
Great. Your total is 250 rupees now.
Here you go. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your groceries.
That's quite a big store. Is it always this busy?
Yes, especially in the evenings. It gets a bit crowded.
Do you have any recommendations for a quick snack?
We have fresh cheese and crackers on aisle 5. They're very popular.
The strawberry jam looks delicious.
It's our bestseller. I think you'll love it.
Thank you for being so patient and helpful.
My pleasure. Please come again.
Actually, I think I'll also get some cheese.
Excellent choice. Our cheddar is just next to the milk.
I see a lot of people with those big green baskets. Do you sell them too?
Yes, they're available at the entrance. You can take one.
And could you tell me what time the store closes today?
We close at 10 p.m. every day.
I'll need a receipt, please.
Of course, your receipt will be printed with your card slip.
Perfect. I think I have everything now.
Wonderful. I'll help you bag these items.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. And you, Noah?
Not really. I went to bed very late.
That's too bad. Why so late, Noah?
I was watching a movie. It was very long.
Oh, I see. What is your plan for today, Noah?
First, I will go for a walk. Then I have work.
That sounds good. Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet. I will eat after my walk.
Me too. I'm making eggs. Would you like some, Noah?
Yes, please. That is very kind of you.
No problem. Let's eat together.
Is there any coffee?
Yes, I just made a fresh pot.
You are the best. I need coffee today.
Let's sit on the balcony. The sun is nice.
Perfect. This is a great start to the day.
I know, it's so peaceful in the morning.
Did you water the plants on the balcony, Mia?
Yes, I did, Noah. They look much happier now.
I really enjoyed that walk, but my legs are a bit sore.
A short walk is always refreshing before the day starts.
Do you have any plans after work tonight, Mia?
Not really, just relaxing. Maybe reading a book.
Are you working from home today or going to the office?
I'm working from home today, so I'm all set up in the living room.
I should really stop watching such long movies on weeknights.
I agree, Noah, or at least pick a shorter one next time.
What time do you usually start your work, Mia?
Around 9 a.m., so I still have some time.
This coffee is perfect, not too strong.
I'm glad you like it, Noah. I tried a new blend.
I'm thinking of going to the market later. Do you need anything, Mia?
Actually, some fresh fruit would be nice. If it's not too much trouble, Noah.
The weather report said it might rain this afternoon.
Then I should take my umbrella with me when I go out.
Thank you again for making breakfast, Mia.
It was my pleasure, Noah. It's nice to have company.
Hello? Can I speak to Priya, please?
This is Priya. Who is this?
Hi Priya, it's Rohan.
Oh, hello, Rohan. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. It's good to hear your voice.
I'm calling about our meeting. What time is it?
Yes, the meeting is tomorrow.
Yes, 4 p.m. is perfect. Where is the meeting?
It is at 4 p.m. Is that okay for you?
I will. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
In my office. Please bring your notes.
Wait, one more thing.
See you then. Bye.
Yes? Should I bring my laptop?
Yes? Yes, please do. We need to show a presentation.
Okay, no problem. I'll bring everything.
Great. I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye.
Take care. Bye. Oh, and Priya, do you know who else will be joining us?
Just Mr. Sharma from the finance team will be with us.
Great. Do you have the agenda ready? Or should I prepare some points?
I do have a draft agenda. I can send it to you in an hour.
Perfect. I'll be there a little early to set up.
That would be helpful. My office is on the 3rd floor, room 312.
Actually, I've sent a draft of the presentation to your email.
I'll check it as soon as I get off the phone and give you my feedback.
Could you take a look? If we finish early.
That sounds like a good plan. I would like that.
Maybe we can grab a quick coffee after?
Have a good rest of your day, Rohan. See you tomorrow.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents.
That's nice. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
How old is he?
He is 22. He is a university student.
What do your parents do?
My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor.
Wow, that's great. Do they like their jobs?
Yes, they do. They work very hard.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog. His name is Max.
I love dogs. Your family sounds wonderful.
Thank you. What about your family?
My family is in another city. I miss them.
You should call them this weekend.
You're right. I will. Thank you for asking.
Family is very important. Always stay close.
You're absolutely right, Sophie. I'll call my sister tonight.
Yes, Leo, you should. They would love to hear from you.
Speaking of siblings, does your brother know what he wants to do after university?
He's thinking of becoming an engineer, but he's still deciding.
A doctor and a teacher in one house, that must be interesting, Sophie.
It is. Dinner conversations are never boring, Leo, I can tell you that.
Does Max, your dog, live inside the house or in the garden?
He's mostly an indoor dog, Leo. He sleeps in my brother's room.
I think it's great that you all live together. It must be fun and noisy sometimes.
It is. Especially when my brother and I argue about the TV remote.
Sophie, do your parents ever give you and your brother career advice?
All the time, Leo. My mom wants me to be a doctor too, but I'm not sure.
My parents ask about me a lot. Maybe I should visit them next month.
That's a wonderful idea, Leo. I'm sure they'd be thrilled.
Talking about this makes me feel a bit homesick, Sophie.
I understand, Leo. It's nice to remember the good times.
But in a good way. Family really is everything, isn't it?
It truly is, Leo. I'm glad we talked about this.
Good evening. Here is your menu.
Thank you. Can I have a minute?
Sure. Take your time. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the vegetable soup, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, a cheese sandwich after that.
Good choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, one lime water, please.
Anything for dessert?
No, thank you. That's all for now.
Okay. Your food will come soon. Here is your soup. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, can I get some extra napkins?
Of course. I'll bring them right away.
The soup is perfect. Not too spicy.
I'm glad you like it. I'll check on you in a bit.
Thank you, Zara.
Here are the extra napkins you asked for, Arif.
Great, I appreciate it.
Perfect. I'll go put the order in for your sandwich now.
That sounds wonderful.
How is everything tasting so far, Arif?
Everything is excellent. Thank you for asking.
Your cheese sandwich is coming right up. It's freshly grilled.
This sandwich looks perfect, Zara.
Here is your lime water and your sandwich, Arif. Is there anything else I can get you?
Could I also get a glass of water, please?
Of course. Still water or sparkling?
No, this is perfect. I think I'm all set, thank you.
Certainly. I'll bring the check whenever you're ready.
Yes, please. I'll take the check now. I'll just have the still water, please.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies. It's my favorite hobby.
That's nice. What kind of movies?
I like comedy movies. They make me happy.
I enjoy listening to music in my free time.
Oh, nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop songs. I listen to them every day.
Do you watch movies at home or in the theater?
Usually at home. It is more comfortable.
I agree. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I like to cook sometimes.
Really? That's a very useful skill.
It is. I can make simple Indian dishes.
Maybe you can cook for us one day.
I would love to. How about next weekend?
Sounds like a plan. I'll bring dessert.
Perfect. I'm already excited.
My favorite has to be paneer butter masala. It's so creamy and flavorful.
That's a great idea. What's your favorite Indian dish, Chloe?
That sounds like a perfect way to unwind. I should try that.
I also like to go for a walk while listening to music. It's very relaxing.
Absolutely. I've been wanting to watch this new comedy that just came out.
For the movie night next weekend, should we watch a comedy you recommend, Chloe?
Always. It makes the time go by faster. Do you have a favorite artist, Ethan?
Do you ever listen to music while you cook, Ethan?
I do. I love making chocolate cake. It's my specialty.
Dessert sounds amazing. Do you like baking, Chloe?
I'm really looking forward to it, Ethan. It'll be a fun break.